What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a fun one because we are tuning the Duramax. That means potential power gains of 100 horsepower and 200 foot-pounds of torque. We're going to be using the Edge Evolution CTS3, which offers multiple different power levels. We'll see how high we take it, but from what I've read, the performance tune adds 100 horsepower and 200 foot-pounds of torque to a stock truck, which is absolutely insane and should be a huge difference going off of our butt dyno. Now, before you go ahead and comment about custom tunes and can tunes, I was in the same boat. I typically do custom tunes on my vehicles, whether it be from a dyno tune or do data logging so you can get revisions so it is specific to your truck. So I was talking to my contact over at Edge and expressing to him how I typically get custom tunes. Well, he had what I feel is some insightful knowledge to share, so I'm going to read straight from the email to y'all. The misconception that everybody needs custom tuning is something that we constantly have to overcome. For a stock truck, our tuning works extremely well and should fit the needs of 90% of truck owners out there. When you start dabbling in larger injectors, turbos, etc., then there can be need for custom tuning. But with stock fuel and stock turbo, you end up spending where you don't need to. Our device is also 50 state compliant, and one part number covers all Duramax trucks 2001 to 2016. So honestly, just talking back and forth with him, it made me feel a lot more confident. So with that said, let's tune this bad boy. All right, we've already got ours hooked up because we've been using it as just a monitor. Now, if you want to see how to hook this up, I'll have a link to it in the description, but let's go ahead. Should just be able to give the truck power, which I do have it plugged up because we do have a lift pump on this truck and I don't want it to run the battery dead. So, let's turn that off. It's waking up. Let's roll our windows down because it's hot today. Tuning. I've never done this before on this truck, and as far as I know, it is bone stock, 206,000 miles, 07. Economy, towing, performance, and extreme, which I'll throw up on screen what horsepower each one of these is supposed to gain. We're going to go and just hit towing. Press continue to begin reading. Yes. So it's going to pull our factory tune off the truck, save it on this device. That way, if we ever need to put it back to stock, we can. I believe this is going to be the longest one because it is having to pull the tune. And then from here on out, swapping tunes between should go much quicker. I'm not exactly sure if we can do this on the fly, like with the truck running, just hit it and it flashes. I don't think it is like a DSP-5 switch or anything. I think you do have to like actually change the tunes between. But that's going pretty quick already. So yeah, let me zip my mouth and we'll do a time lapse. So that took about 2 minutes, so nothing crazy. Would you like to install the tune as is, or would you like customize? Let's do custom, see if we can change our tire size possibly. That might be in a different area. Disable this tutorial. Tires, yes, we want to do tires. So, height, they are 36 inches. Save. Okay, install. Towing, adjustable parameters, 36-inch tall tires. Cool. Should be good to go. That should correct our speedometer, and we're installing the tow tune. Your vehicle has been successfully tuned. Please press continue. All right, so that took, well, I filmed for 5 minutes, so that took like 4 minutes. So let's see. All right, there's our parameters. First startup. Sick. All right, well, I'm gonna let her warm up. Go ahead and pull that battery charger off. Let's take her for a spin. Right at 2200. Nice and smooth.
it's going to be a big difference when we get on it, because that was just like 2,500 just easing into it from a roll. Now, do consider, or remember, this is just level 1, because it's economy tune, then tow tune, then performance, then extreme. So this is just the first level of power increase. So yeah, I mean, you can just hear the increase in speed by the tires winding up, which is actually pretty hilarious. So let's spin around right here. We're not going to do anything too terribly crazy. But, you know, we'll see what she's got a little bit. It definitely added a lot, even just for the tow tune. That felt quicker. Holy crap, hang on. We're a wide truck and that's UPS. That felt quicker than when the truck was on stock tires and we're on 36s now. And that wasn't even floorboarded. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared to floorboard it. But yeah, that was definitely noticeably better, for sure. Sorry, I'm freaking out. I think it's that tractor making that noise. Yeah, it is. I thought it was my truck. Oh man, yes. All right, we'll do one more little guy right up here, and then we'll put it in performance. I'll leave it in, if I'm being honest, just a little bit overstock, just get it up to where, you know, hey, some little Joe Smo stock vehicle runs up next to me, I can hang with it or get out of my own way, you know. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, finally, people ride my bumper. I can just freaking dust them. Tune vehicle. Let's go to performance. You previously made a parameter change. Would you like to change your modifications? Keep your modifications saying or reset all. Let's do keep. Yes, accept and install. All right, that took less than a minute. Oop, I don't want to go to tuning. My B. No, exit. I want to go to gauges and want to crank this beast up. Woo! First, regular, normal, takeoff, performance tune. Feels about the same, which it probably is supposed to. You know, under a certain amount of RPM, there's probably not that much changed unless you are towing. So that's third. Let's just ease into it a little. All right, yeah, it's definitely, it's gonna be a big difference. It's gonna be a big difference. Oh yeah, massive difference, and that was nowhere near floorboarding it. Massive difference, right off rip. Y'all gonna have to hit a like goal. We'll say 5,000 likes on this video, and I will upload the extreme tune and come back out and romp on it and see how crazy it is. But before we even think about that, we gotta romp on it in performance mode, performance tune. And this is a stock, other than it's got a Banks air filter, cold air intake, and then, you know, 5-inch exhaust. Other than that, stock. All right, here we go, a little bit. Holy crap. Dude, I'm telling you, I'm not even romping on this thing. Like, definitely going the speed limit, as you can tell by us driving very smoothly in this little road. Holy crap. Like, yeah, it's a huge difference. All right, I'm actually gonna romp on it right here. I'm actually gonna romp, okay? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna romp. No being a baby. No half throttling it and freaking out like I just did, because y'all know diesel trucks, the torque, even if they're not fast, they feel incredibly quick. Here we go. And we've caught those cars. Holy crap. Yeah, it's for sure. It's the truth. Gosh, dog. Alright. No, I don't want tow haul. I want manual mode. And I want to put this thing down, because Jacob said Allisons don't like downshifting. So go ahead and downshift it yourself. We're gonna go to second. And then we're gonna roll into it. We're like 2,300 RPMs right now. A little hesitant right there on the rip, but once she spooled, buddy, she was going. Holy crap. Yes. So yeah, rolled a little coal, spun the tires, pushed me in the back of the seat, which is the glorious thing about the diesels. Like I said, once again, they ain't got to be fast, they feel fast. We gotta chill. All right, guys, well, that's gonna be about it for this video. I am definitely stoked with the results. The truck is running like it has never ran before. That is for sure absolute beast. And like I said, 5,000 likes, we will throw that extreme tune in there and go out and let it eat. I am actually really looking forward to that. So y'all hit the like button, be sure to run it up. So we do have to go out and do that, because the performance tune was honestly such a big improvement. I can't even imagine the extreme. And of course, like I said, this is going from a stock truck to
adding another however many horsepower just by tuning it, which is crazy. But once again, this is a big truck. It's on a 9-inch lift, 36-inch tall tires, 26-inch wheels. So a lot of weight, a lot of height, a lot of wind resistance. It's not a rocket ship by any standard, but that's the good thing, once again, about diesels is they don't have to be fast to be very, very fun to drive, because the torque that they produce just makes it feel like you're flying. Even though maybe the speedometer is not saying you're going super top end fast, they feel like it. And honestly, they do accelerate really quickly, right? So they feel even more so, but it did definitely make the truck much quicker. But like I keep saying, it just feels so good in the diesel trucks, because just a simple tune, man, it changes the whole driving habit. Where you know, on the gas stuff, you gotta put a little more effort in. Tune on a good day adds you maybe 20 horsepower, whereas here, you know, 100 plus. If you've got a 01 to, what was it, 2016 Duramax, this CTS3 will work on it. And obviously, if you're wanting some more power, this is a great way to go. And like they said, it is legal. So don't have to worry about anything bad. You can post about it on the internet. All is good. So that's a huge thing here in 2023, almost 24. You know, options are slim pickings. So it's good that the big name Edge is out there still putting in work, especially on these old trucks. So hopefully they will stand with us for a lot longer. And yeah, I'm stoked. So I'm probably going to swap it back to that tow tune to be my daily tune. We're about to put it to test, because I'm going to tow with this thing for the first time. And lifted this big with 36s and towing, it's going to be an experience. But now I'm glad we got a little bit more power to get the job done. So with that said, hopefully you did enjoy. Comment down below, be sure to subscribe, and like I said, hit that like button. You want to see the extreme tune.